A great way to upgrade your home is replacing the light switches. There's a range of different styles and types that you can choose from and create that new stylish modern look in your home. Be sure to check out the range of light switches available at builders. There's definitely something to suit your home and your style. It really is a simple task to do, but when working with electricity, be sure to use a qualified electrician. The tools that you'll need: a selection of screwdrivers and an electrical tester. The first thing to do is to turn off the power in your home. With the power switched off, I'm now going to remove the cover plate so I can access the screws holding the switch in place. Once you open up the switch, you'll notice two lines on the back. One is the supply and the other is the load to the lamp. Take your tester and just double check to make sure there's no power to the switch. Now just unscrew each wire. Remove the cover plate of your new switch and then insert the wires into the back of the switch. Now remember, it's not polarity dependent, so it doesn't matter which side you use. Double check that they are secure. Secure the light switch back into position. Before tightening into place, just make sure your switch is level. You can do this with adjustment of the slotted screw holes. If you are using a metal switch or a metal face, be sure that the face is earthed. That's the body of the switch in place. Pop on the cover plate. And that upgrade of your home is complete. Remember, you must use a qualified electrician when working with electricity. Be sure to check out the range of switches that Builders has available at your local store or online, and be sure to check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel. There's a range of DIYs and how-tos just like this for you to be inspired, get to Builders and get it done.